Understanding the mechanics of power screws. Power screws are widely used in various applications such as lifting heavy loads and converting rotary motion into linear displacement. So we have seven types of bolts and screws. One is machine bolt, two stud bolt, three eye bolt, four U-bolt stove bolt, six cap bolt, seven set screw. Advantages of power screws. Power screws offer numerous benefits such as high efficiency, durability, and the ability to withstand significant loads under varying conditions.
Power screw formulas. The pitch is the actual distance a thread advances in one revolution. The formula for pitch is P equals to 1 over number of threads per inch. The formula for lead is L equals to P for single thread, L equals to 2P for double thread, and L equals to 3P for triple thread. And for the linear velocity, the formula is linear velocity equals to rotational speed times lead, or V equals to N times L. And the lead angle, or X, is tan X equals to lead over pi times mean diameter. Torque applied to turn the screw, or T. For square thread, T equals to weight times mean diameter over 2 times tangent X, or the lead, plus F, or the coefficient friction of threads, over 1 minus F tangent X. For Acme thread, T equals to weight times mean diameter over 2 times cosine angle tangent X plus F over cosine angle minus F tangent X, where the angle is 14.4 degrees. For the torque required to overcome collar friction, or the TC is equals to FC, or the coefficient of friction of collar, times the weight, times the RO plus RI, or the radius, outside radius, and the inside radius, over 2. TC is also equals to FC times weight times DC, or the mean diameter of collar, over 2. Where the mean diameter collar is equals to DO plus DI, or the outside diameter and the inside diameter, over 2, or collar mean diameter of collar is equals to RO plus RI.
Total torque to operate the screw. Total torque is equal to torque plus TC. The output power of screw is PO is equal to weight times linear velocity of screws. Power input of screws, or PI, is equal to 2 pi Tn. Efficiency of power screw. For square thread, efficiency is equal to power output over power input. Or it can be tangent x times 1 minus f tangent x. All over tangent x plus f plus FCDC over dm times 1 minus f tangent x. For AC ME thread, efficiency is equal to tangent x times cosine angle f sine x, all over tangent x cosine angle plus f cosine x plus FCDC over dm times cosine angle minus f sine x. The torque required to overcome collar friction of a 100 millimeter mean diameter collar power screw is 50 Newton meter, and collar friction of 0.15 determine the weight lifted by the screw. The given is diameter mean, collar friction, and the torque of the screw. The formula that we will use is TC is equal to FC W times outer radius plus inner radius all over 2. And diameter mean is equal to outside diameter plus inner diameter all over 2. The solution is there is the given is diameter mean, so we're going to transpose it, and I will going to evaluate the formula to make the given useful. So the dm is equal to the outside diameter plus inside diameter is equivalent to 2 times outer radius plus 2 times inner radius all over 2. So we can remove the 2 by extracting the 2 in the outside radius and inner radius. So what we have left is RO plus RI is equal to 100 millimeter or 0.1 meter. So we can use the main formula of TC. So we have 50 Newton meter is equal to 0.15 times the weight times 0.1 meter all over 2. So ililipat natin yung 50 Newton meter sa kabilang side and ililipat natin yung weight sa kabilang side. So what we have now is 50 Newton meter times 2 all over 0.15 times 0.1 meter. The answer we should get is 6,666.667 Newton. And we will convert it to kilogram, which is 1 kilogram over 9.81 Newton. The final answer will be 679.5787 kilogram.
For the problem 2, find the horsepower loss when a collar is loaded with 1,000 pounds, rotates at 25 rpm, and has a coefficient friction of 0.15. The outside diameter of the collar is 4 inch and the inside diameter is 2 inch. So, yung given natin ay yung friction na 0.15, weight na 1,000 pounds, outside diameter na 4 inch, inside diameter na 2 inch, and yung N natin na 25 RPM. Formula. Yung formula na gagamitin natin is power equals to 2 pi Tn, and yung formula ng torque, which is Fc times W times outside radius plus inside radius all over 2. Una natin gagamitin ay yung yung formula ng torque. Torque is equals to, so isa-substitute na natin yung mga given. So torque is equals to 0.15 times 1,000 pounds times 2 inch, ginawa nating radius, plus 1 inch all over 2. So yung sagot dito is 225 pound inch. Tapos gagawin nating feet yung inch. Kaya magiging 225 pound inch times 1 feet all over 12 inch. So final answer natin ng torque is equals to 18.75 pound feet. So hanapin na natin yung horsepower. So magiging power is equals to 2 pi Tn. Substitute na natin yung mga given, magiging power equals to 2 pi times 18.75 pound feet times 25 RPM. So yung sagot natin dyan is power is equals to 2,945.243113 pound feet per minute. Tapos, i-convert natin siya to horsepower. So, magiging, ita-times natin yung sagot natin kanina sa 1 HP over 33,000 pound feet per minute. So, yung final answer natin ng power is equals to 0.08925 horsepower.
The problem tree is an eye bolt is lifting a block weighing 350 pounds. The eye bolt is made of SAE C1040 material. What is the stress area in inches square of the bolt if it is under the unified series thread? The given is yield strength, allowable stress, and load. The formula that we're going to use is stress area is equal to 6 times Fc over Sy raised to 2/3. The solution is 6 times 350 over 7,000 raised by 2/3. And the answer we will get is 0.1134 inch squared.
Problem 4. If the pitch of a screw is 2/9 inches, find the number of threads per inch. So, the formula that we will use is pitch is equals to 1 over number of threads per inch. So, by using this formula, we can solve the problem by simply using shift solve, or we can transpose um, the number of threads per inch is equals to 1 over pitch. And the answer will be 4.5.
And that's all. Thank you.
I-edit mo na lang yan, Col.